Let's learn OmniStudio DataMapper in few minutes. This video is getting a mastery on DataMapper, but I want to make it a bit different for you. I don't want to go into theory first. The plan is to do a challenge where we will learn DataMapper and then we go backwards and go into the theory. So the first part is focused on a challenge that I have where I need to transform a phone number that's in a given format 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I want into a output in a different format with hyphens with brackets. This is a hands-on experience for you. Go to OmniStudio, go to DataMapper first and click on new. Let's make it a name, so we'll do best practices. DM is DataMapper. It's a transform one, and then let's make it a transform phone, and this is the types we go for transform. And this one, in this challenge we are just doing the transformation. We'll learn about that. Input is again a JSON, output is a JSON. The output that this DataMapper produces, this function returns phone number in given format. Let's go on. So now we have created our first data mapper. So that's why I'm teaching you, basically we're learning it together in a very simplified manner so you can implement in the practical aspects. So for you, you have a formula field, that's very important. You have a transform, options and preview. For now, let's go to the transform. If I click on this, you have an input JSON, which is the JSON which is coming as input to this one, and the expected JSON output that we want, because we are in the transform JSON. So I'll take this as my sample JSON. Let's click into that input JSON. So this is what you should do while you're doing it practically. Type it here. So this is how the JSON you want, and there you want what output you want. So we want a formatted phone. So I'm just changing it. So I'm just transmitting the JSON so it's better. So this is done. Now I just need to do a mapping. So mapping happens inside the transform tab. Basically it maps what is my input JSON and what will be my output JSON. I click on that plus. I'll go to the input. For me, I'm just formatting what a phone. This is my input, and I'm taking that output into a format as a phone. I can take what can be the data type of the output. For my case, it is a string. You can take a number and default value is empty, so in case it's not available. So now if I go to preview, this is the same JSON that we have, which is I pasted into the input part. If I execute it, so this is just to test how my data mapper is working if I give it as some JSON. But here you can see what I'm giving it as a phone number, same it is throwing into a formatted phone. So what is missing? We are missing on the formula. So where we do the transformation of the input JSON. So click on add formula. Now we need to create a formula. Like me, you don't know how to create formulas, don't worry, go to OmniScript functions. I'll give this link in the description. Search first function we need in our case is concatenate, because we need to join, or I think better than concatenate, let's do substring first. So because we need to get a part of a string to do a formatting, so let's do a substring. So how it works, it takes a given text, start from start index, it will be 0 in a string, and end at an end index. So let's take this an example. I'll go here, I'll type substring. So this, you have IntelliSense already available. Remove this condition part. So what string we have contacts, contacts colon phone. Where I got it, it is from this JSON contacts colon phone. So I'm able to access it. So this is my input text, start from 0 index, give me first 3. Why? Because I need to format it into this, take this 3, put a bracket around that. So I just want a 3 out of that. Where I want this to go, I just want it to go into same contacts under column phone, because I've just mapped this phone to formatted phone. Now let's run it. You will see it is giving me 3. So this means our formula field is working fine. So the first thing we need to is we need to do the concatenate function. So if I search concatenate, it joins the strings basically based on the value you are giving. Let's go back here. I'll create a concat. So concat function, what is the value we have? We have this, we need a bracket, and comma, what we need this substring, comma, we need a closing bracket. So that's what we need from this concatenate. Now let's see how this behaves. So you can see, hopefully it works. So it's working. Now the next is we need a output. What was our requirement? Let's go back. We need a space and 4, 5, 6. So let's go here. We need a space. I'm adding space here. Then we need we need next 3 digit. I'm typing start index is 3, it ends at 6. Let's see how it is working. So we can see it is typing. Oh, this is just extra formatting that's coming up. Where is this coming from? This is the one. Yes, we are right. Let's run it. Yeah, so we are correct. Now we need is another comma and we need a hyphen, and I'm just pasting the substring again. Index will start from 6 and at 10. Magic. It says this is the transformation. Oh, extra bracket again. I'll just do this. I'll click on execute. Oh, one more string. Where is the typo? Oh, I left this one. Okay, now it should be good. Click on execute. This is how the magic is happening. So we have given some type of transformation to a phone number the way we wanted. This is a practical use case which we faced in one of our project. I'm sharing that with you so you can learn from that experience. So this is how you can apply formula field. If you can also add if else, if this is blank, and use throw null, or just use this phone number to work on. Hopefully you get some value out of this. I need a one favor from you: like and subscribe to our channel and comment what all the other videos, what all the challenges you are facing with the data mappers in OmniStudio. We'll make more videos on that, or any other video that you want to learn about Salesforce. Thank you for watching. In part 2, do stick, we'll talk about all the other data mappers which are available in OmniStudio. Thank you.